Hello everyone, welcome to BTech. What if I told you the cinematic video you're about to see wasn't filmed at all? No camera, no crew, no lights, and absolutely no editing software. Just a few words and some powerful AI magic. Sounds unreal, right? But that's the reality with Neme.video, an extraordinary AI-powered platform that lets you create breathtaking movie-like videos in minutes using nothing more than your imagination. Whether you're a creator, marketer, artist, or simply curious, Neme.video opens the door to high-quality video production with zero experience needed. Getting started couldn't be easier. Just head over to the Neme.video website and sign up using your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard, your creative playground. Here, you'll find all your past projects available for instant preview, editing, or deletion. On the left side of the screen, you'll discover a panel full of powerful AI tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, restyle video, lip-sync video, and more, each designed to help you bring different types of ideas to life with cinematic flair. Let's start with text-to-video. Simply type your idea into the prompt box. You can enhance your prompt using the built-in AI assistant, then select a video model. Options include Kling, Van, LTX, Minimax, and the ultra-realistic Kling Pro. Choose your desired aspect ratio. Once you click Generate, your prompt is transformed into a short, cinematic video in just seconds. Want something a little different? Try using another model like Van and explore the More Control section. You can input an active prompt. If you're aiming for still visuals instead, the text-to-image tool offers a simple yet powerful solution. Just like with video, type in your prompt, pick a model and aspect ratio, and hit Generate. In moments, you'll have beautiful, high-quality images that visually match your text. You can try different prompts and models to explore a variety of artistic styles. The image-to-video feature brings static images to life. Upload an image and describe the kind of motion or animation you want to apply. After selecting your model and aspect ratio, hit Generate. And your flat image becomes a dynamic, cinematic scene. It's perfect for breathing life into sketches, storyboards, or visual concepts. One of the most creative tools on the platform is Restyle Video, which lets you transform any existing video into a completely new artistic style. Want your clip to look like an anime scene, a Pixar-style animation, or an oil painting? Just upload your video, describe the style you want, futuristic Tokyo street at night or watercolor forest dreamscape, and choose your model and aspect ratio. Click Generate, and within seconds, your video is reimagined in a brand new look. Perfect for reinventing content or giving it a bold, eye-catching identity. Then there's the lip sync video feature, which makes your characters come to life by syncing their mouth movements with audio or text dialogue. Upload a video clip, add your audio, or type your lines.
Hello, this is an AI voice test.
Hello, this is an AI voice test.
Hello, this is an AI voice test.
Hello, this is an AI voice test. How do you like my voice?
Hello, this is an AI.
And the AI takes care of the rest, animating lip movements naturally and accurately. It's ideal for creating speaking avatars, dubbed videos, voiceovers, or animated characters without the need for manual animation or complex tools. Whether you're working from an idea, an image, or a video clip, this platform gives you the tools to turn simple inputs into cinematic masterpieces. Ready to try it out? Click the link in the video description. Just type, click, and watch your imagination come to life. One AI-powered video at a time. Thanks for watching.